after this recipe, I just want to make onions like this. For this recipe, I'm going to be cutting an onion into slices, like this. Also cutting a potato into slices, and guys, this recipe looks wonderful. It's great for dinner, great for lunch. I'm sure all of you who make it will be super love. I will now be cutting 2 sausages into cubes. And also cutting a bunch of chives. Now in a frying pan, add olive oil. Put the onion, potato, sausage and chives. And now we are going to sauté very well. People are already commenting there for me, from which city you are watching us, that I will send a super special hug to each of you who comment. Now in another container I will be breaking 4 eggs. Add a teaspoon of salt, a pinch of black pepper, and also 30 grams of mozzarella cheese. And we will mix very well. And today's big hug goes to Sophia from California. Thank you so much for always following our videos, I really appreciate it. I'm going to add now, our omelette on top of this one is fixing with the spatula. I'll cover and let it cook on low heat for about 15 minutes. Okay, you've already cooked one side. Now with the plate I'll be turning. Add a little olive oil to the skillet and put it back. Okay, now I'm going to cover and let the other side cook for another 5 minutes. And our recedenha was ready, and it was delicious. It's great for dinner, delicious for lunch. So if you liked it, share it, and until next time. Goodbye.